Hello.
Look how much straighter his neck is.
Oh wow!
Yeah, he's facing forward.
Look at you. How'd that happen?
And he's standing up. I have him braced in case he falls over. Isn't he adorable? Gotta wash his little beak off.
Oh, hello, little.
The weird contraption.
That's so cool.
So if I can get him to walk straight, then it'll have worked.
My goodness.
Hello?
What a difference.
Little baby with his head on backwards. He's facing forward, all by himself. I have to wash your face. Huh. Yeah, little baby? Hi. Yeah, he thinks it's food. Should I get his food?
Sure.
He got to eat on his own today. Come here. That's a happy sound. You see it? Are you full? Or do you want the other stuff?
It's funny because it looks like the way ropes are that his arms are tied back. Not that he has arms, but that's what it looks like.
This is what he likes. This is why our beak is so dirty. See, look at him. You see? Is that what you want? Yeah? You want more? I have to make him come get it. Oops. I'll strengthen his neck and his back. Yeah, we're dripping. Oh. Is this what you want? You want more? Oh, you did it.
That is amazing how well he's doing.
All dirty.
Makes you want to keep him, huh?
He's still, oops. He's just got to learn to get his balance.
Oh, one day he'll get to be released with the other birds, hopefully. That would be so nice.
So, and then this would be worth it.
And then once again, we have a cat.
Oh, look, they're making fun sounds. You want more?
And he's oblivious to Wasabi back there.
Is this what you want? Yeah, just hold your head still. What is that? See, nobody can laugh at us at work. That's right. I know. Say, oh, did you see that poor baby all tied up? I need a paper towel. I'm gonna wipe his face off.
Oh, sorry.
You ready?
I said, yes, I am.
Hey now. His poor body. See where the fur rubbed away?
Mm-hmm.
Or the feathers? And his butt is completely bald. Yeah. I mean, considering where he was, this is amazing, isn't it? He's so resilient. See, his tail's even crooked. Watch when he stands up. See
Oh, yeah.
What is that? Is that yummy? Oh, yeah. He had to eat it, too. Okay, it's coming. Ah, I did it again. Where's... Oh, I threw it away. Great. I thought you were done eating.
How much is he going to eat?
Oh, he can eat a lot.
Is that yummy? That's very good.
You don't even have it yet. One more? You gonna finish that one? That's it. Okay, I gotta go feed the other babies. Okay, look over here. Look over here.